What's up, y'all? Today I'm going to show you a super simple way to make strong metal hoops for your garden. Now, PVC seems to be the fan favorite among home gardeners, and with good reason. It's cheap and you don't need any kind of special tool to bend it. Here's where it falls short. It's not as strong as half-inch electrical EMT conduit, and it only holds its shape because it's fixed at either end. The minute that you let one of the ends go, that's what you get. So if you want something that's a little bit taller that has a straight that goes into a curve, you can't do that with PVC. But you can with EMT.
I made this by affixing scrap wood blocks to a piece of OSB plywood. No need to spend money on a fancy hoop bender. Figure out how wide your tunnel needs to be and mark your start and end point on the bottom edge of the board. Divide this in half and mark your center mark on the bottom edge of the board. That halfway mark, that's your radius. Now measure in multiple directions from your center line and mark that length on the board. This is arbitrary, but I'd choose a minimum of 5 points. Screw or glue scrap wood blocks at those marks so you have something to bend against. To finish this, add a scrap piece about 3/4 of an inch to the outside of one of the bottom blocks to hold your conduit in place. Now to figure out how much of your pipe should stick out of the bender, calculate your circumference by multiplying your tunnel width by 3.14 or pi. Now divide by 2 since it's half a circle. Subtract this from the total length of your pipe, stock pipe is 10 feet long, and divide by 2. That's how much of either end will be straight and need to stick out of your bender. These hoops will be perfect for shade cloth, frost cloth, or season extension poly low tunnels as you see here.